Greetings, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank you all for being here. Okay, we start. When we talk to each other, we are expressing feelings, emotions, talking about our opinions and needs. We usually take this gift for granted. Around 800 people around the world are physically challenged. One of every 7 isn't fortunate enough to have the ability to communicate. The biggest battle for them is a simple act of communication. They can't express their needs to their caretakers, family, and friends. And so our proposed solution is to tackle this problem, is a device to help the physically challenged to communicate using only eye movements. And here's a demo. Here you can see a test case scenario where a simulated, next slide please. Here's a demo. You can see a test case scenario where a simulated patient is using our device. As you can see, the device is tracking eye movement in real time with 90% accuracy when running tests, recording the sequence, translating the sequence to words and expressions. The patient will be positioned in front of our device. The device will then detect and track the eye movements, translating them into spoken language using our AI model and sequence translation system. Now we go into the business details. So what are we selling, you might ask? Our target market is around 300 hospitals, 7,000 rehabilitation centers, and around 560K individual patients. Our products are packaged this way, selling the ECT software separately for the user to use where they want, a mobile app which we think is very promising, and a device coming with the software. And so by having a product, we are by nature positioned in the market. As you can see, we have a massive price advantage of our competitors, Tobii iMobile 5 and Samsung iCam Plus. Another advantage over our competitors mentioned earlier is the modularity of our device and software. Modularity, next slide please. Modularity in the sense that our product can have multiple use cases. We can use the eye tracking system to control a mouse, play video games, allowing us to create more products and explore more business ventures. So what have we achieved so far? As all project, we started with an idea in September 22 that turned into a prototype in July 21. In September 21, we obtained the innovative project label from the startup ministry. What we want to accomplish in the future: we want to finalize the prototype by December 21, launch a product in July 22, and in September 22, we want to create an API. Now comes the time for the money talk. What we need is 10 million Algerian dinar on multiple payments. The money will be spent on hiring Algerian passionate and competent talents in both computer vision and software engineering, plus the equipment and utility needed for development. Estimated revenue we are going for by targeting 10% of our current local market is around 1 billion dinar. And the year after, we are planning to target another 10%. Our perspective in the future, in addition to developing more products based on eye tracking concept, the eye tracking concept as mentioned earlier, is to sell our eye tracking system as an API to developers and other business ventures here and around the globe. And here we see the team, next slide. Here we see the team behind our project. End of presentation. Thank you, everyone.
Merci. Les questions du jury.
Thank you.
Je vous remercie pour votre présentation. J'aimerais savoir combien de signes vous avez pu détecter et est-ce que c'est possible d'enrichir le dictionnaire Blind to Talk avec les spécificités du langage algérien, c'est-à-dire pas le langage, mais les volontés algériennes. Je ne peux pas.
D'accord, alors c'est une très bonne question. Alors notre projet est inspiré d'un langage des yeux qui est développé par une organisation indienne. Le langage est appelé Blink to Speak. Et pour notre projet, رانا نخمو به نديروا l'option ان الديكسيونير يكون يديروا الكليون في حد ذاته. Si par exemple جاه le dictionnaire اللي نمدوه احنا مع le produit un peu compliqué. C'est ça.
Okay, thank you. It's question. It has a relation. I'm really concerned about the richness of your dictionary. What are the number of movements you can have? So basically, you're limited. If you would like to extend that in time, basically you will be losing in performance. What if you finish, for example, one word and you would like to go to the other?
Alors,
We are inspired by an Indian already created a dictionary that is used for challenged people, to communicate with challenged people. It already has a dictionary like from an alphabet and like common expressions and commands. Like let's say 2 blinks equals a yes, 1 blink equals a no, two times looking left equals bring me water, etc.
Do you have today a prototype, and at which level is it sitting at?
Yes, we have a prototype. It's almost finalized. We are at the end game of it. The accuracy now is at 98%, and
We
we hope to finish it by December of this year.
Merci. Très bien, thank you very much.